Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dipto Sarkar and today I'm gonna share with you how you can find job based on your skill set. Maybe you wanna do some remote job or some in-place job, but how you can find job. In today's video, I will share with you how you can find job based on your skill set, your preference. So without talking too much, let's dive in. Number one in our list is Indeed.com, and Indeed.com is very popular among job finder and job provider. So we can take a quick look. So here is Indeed.com and you can find job from here. Maybe you wanna do some web development job, then you can search here for web developer. It suggests already web developer, and you can search for city, or you can also search for you wanna do some remote or in-place job. You can search from here. Maybe I wanna do some remote job, and then click on search. So after search, it's find 4,260 jobs for you, and you can easily apply from here. Click on site, and by clicking on apply on site, you can directly reject this company mother website and you can apply job from there. So here is a junior web developer, front-end engineer, web marketing platform. Click on apply on company site. Okay, then web developer, you can find actually lots of jobs from here. Do some filter and you can find your actual preferred job from here. If you wanna select location, click on here and maybe New York. Website front-end developer, and you can find the position from here. It's full-time, Monday to Friday, all the benefits. Okay, so when job provider post a job on Indeed.com, then they have provided all the information, what is the benefit, what is the requirement, and what you would be get from this job, and what is your responsibility. Everything they have actually mentioned here, so you can easily match it on your preference and then you can apply on this job. There are also estimated salary amount here, 93 and 119k per year. Okay, you can also make some, you can also get some idea from here how your salary would be as per year. You can find lots of information about remote job, maybe in place job, everything you can find from Indeed.com. And as I mentioned earlier, Indeed.com is very popular among job provider and job finder. So you can definitely check it out if you wanna, if you wanna find some remote type of job or whatever. You can take a look at Indeed.com. In second position, we have Stack Overflow, and we generally know about Stack Overflow like that. It's a problem solving platform. You can post your problem here and someone who is already expert in this field, he or she will come here and solve your problem. But Stack Overflow has other option. When you come into Stack Overflow, you can find a talent option from here, and sometimes job provider actively take a look about Stack Overflow, who is a great contributor on here. Maybe you are a web developer and you can do some contribution on Stack Overflow, then maybe you can notice by job provider, you can get a very good job. It's not in very limelight on Stack Overflow job, but you can definitely take a look at that if you are actively searching job for tech industry. At number 3, we have LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is a great platform, guys. You can definitely take a look. You can establish a profile here and you can maybe find your first job from LinkedIn. So here is my profile, and yeah, okay, when you come into LinkedIn and create your first profile, you can find a job option from here. You can find any job, maybe web developer. You can find job from here. Okay, so here is the company, some little bit description, and based on your profile, LinkedIn will suggest you is this job suitable for you or not. So it currently shows your profile match this job. Okay, there are lots of job. You can select the company from here, job type. Maybe you wanna do some full-time job, on-site or remote. Maybe you wanna some remote type job because it's very popular nowadays. And there are some easy apply options. So I'm definitely recommend you to don't go for easy apply, go for normal job when LinkedIn can directly reject you on that site and you can apply from there. Maybe their competition is little bit low and there is high chance to get a good job. So you can definitely find some good job from here. So LinkedIn is actually a business platform, so you can definitely make your great profile from here. So I am front-end developer, and there is my profile, my position from here. Okay, so I have everything. I am continuously post on LinkedIn, so it will help you to grow your audience. Maybe you can build some great connection to job provider, and you can definitely get a good job. If you wanna do some great position on tech industry, you need to definitely build a LinkedIn profile, and obviously if you actively search on LinkedIn, then you will definitely get a good job. Number 4 is Glassdoor, and Glassdoor is similar like Indeed.com. You can find the job option from here. When you come to their website, you can find the job option from here, and you need to log in, by the way. And after login, you can search job as similar as Indeed.com, but there are also a very great tech job, some tech industry job provider who post a job on Glassdoor, so you definitely check it out, Glassdoor. And you can find the companies from here. You can also take a look about the salary, what would be your salary. You can find all sorts of things from Glassdoor. You need to just log in, and after that it will as similar as Indeed.com. And then the last one is teamblind.com, which is also similar to like Indeed.com and Glassdoor.com. You can find some good job from here. Some popular companies like Google, Amazon also find their employee from blind.com. So when you are actively searching job, then you definitely check it out, this 5 platform. And if you are really skillful, then by 6 months you will definitely get a very good job. So 6 months is a standard time period to switch job from one job to another, and it will make a gap from one job to another, find the second job. So you can definitely check it out, and if you are really skillful, then you will definitely get a very good job by 6 months. So no more today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button, do subscribe, and if you have any confusion, any suggestion, or you want to learn more about new sorts of things, then you can definitely leave a comment below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye.